Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can download and install Star Wars The Old Republic game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application, and once you are taken into the store page, click on the search box and then type in Star Wars The Old Republic to begin your search. Once you find the game, you can click on it and this will take you into the game page where you can check out the trailer as well as the reviews. Scroll down and click on the Add to Library button in order to add the game to your library. You can also buy the premium bundle by clicking on Add to Cart. After providing your payment method, the game will then be added to your library. And now you can click on the Play Now button to choose your installation directory and start the installation of the game. Then just wait until the installation is completed. And once it is done, you can start enjoying the game. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install Star Wars The Old Republic game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.